Welcome back this week, folks. What we're going to do this week is we're going to work on more old stuff. Why? Because everybody on the channel keeps saying they like TJs. Well, this week we're going to do a ZJ. But it's the same T case that's in TJs, Cherokees. I mean, they used them for like 30 freaking years in every Jeep, pretty much. It's a Jeep 231 T case. It's already got an SYE kit on it. And we're going to tear this thing apart and we're going to freshen it up. Is it blown up? Nope. Time to get freshened. We're going to do all new bearings, chain, seals, gaskets, everything. We're just going to freshen it up. So we'll kind of show you what it looks like inside there, do a little time lapse, kind of show you what it looks like, get this thing all freshened up for a buddy of mine so we can go do some wheeling. Stay tuned. Here we go. We got this thing all tore down, washed, cleaned, prepped. It's kind of a mess. Whole bunch of stuff. As you can see in the time lapse, there's a lot to take apart. Here's all of our new stuff. We got all new bearings, seals, O-rings, chain. Buy a chain, don't be cheap. There's all of our goodies. Let's keep cleaning, put this bad boy together. Got all new seals installed, new bearings, got the differential put back in. We're now setting all the forks. Pay really close attention when you do yours, because this is not a how-to, but make sure that you don't mess with your shift lever and it all go back the same exact way you took it out. Fun fact. Once you clean those, I find it easiest to set the chain on here. Pick this one up, slide it in there. Easier said than done sometimes. Oh, it moved. It moved on me. There we go. There we go. Sometimes it's more easier if you have an extra set of hands instead of somebody holding the goddamn camera, but you know, that's what we do around here. So once you got your T case ready, you got all this put back together with your new chain. We got this prepped, it's all washed, all the gaskets scraped. We got new bearing installed, so we put that bearing in. The filters installed, all the gasket surfaces cleaned. Now we're going to put some RTV on this, and we're going to put this thing together. You don't need a lot of RTV. When you see these things, they got RTV squeezed all the way out here. You're just being silly. You're wasting material for nothing. You're not trying to seal it from the world getting in, just from fluid getting out. That's a good one. So here we go. It's all buttoned up. All new seals. All new bearings. Did nice new seals in there. If you're bored, you should pull your 231 T-case out. Go to your local off-road shop. Buy a bearing kit. Rebuild it. So there you go. New T-case built. Oh, it's not new. It's an old T-case with new bearings and seals. All set and ready to go. It's very difficult to film and build something at the same time. So everybody needs to go online and complain that Bob is not here enough. He travels too much and spends too much time with his family. Heaven forbid. We'll see you guys next week. Enjoy.